it's your girl Calathea, and today I'm going to be doing a video. I decided to do a slime video because I'm kind of bored. I've been watching YouTube. My video I just posted is up now, so definitely go watch it and listen to what I have to say. And yeah, I just got through commenting that this channel is supposed to be a fun channel. So I don't want any hate on this channel. I'm done with all talking about hate. So yeah, we're just gonna be making some slime. Because I'm kind of bored. And it's been a while since I've really showed my face in the video. I've been doing a lot of slime tutorials, and so I decided to do a video. Take off this band-aid. It's done bleeding. This is the second one I had to put on. But yeah, guys, I'll be back with all the ingredients. I don't know what type of slime I'm making, but since I still got leftover glue, I'm just gonna make one. Be right back. Okay, I got my thing with my slime ingredients, and we need our activator, which I'm using borax. We need shaving cream. You will need foaming hand soap. You will need cornstarch. You don't have to use all this. This is just what I like to use. And I got lotion. It smells good too. So that's all we're gonna use right now. Oh, and you will also need some water. Hold up 1 second. I made my phone higher. Alright, so we got our bowl, and first thing we need to do is add in our glue. I think I like this background better. So we're gonna add in some glue. Now, I only used a little bit because even though there's not a lot in here now, when I like to cut open the bottle so I can get the rest out. So that's what I'm gonna do to get more out of this. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. And plus I'm gonna add in some clear glue. This is gonna make it glossy. Oops. Okay, there we go. There we go. Alright. And now we can start mixing this. It's not a lot of space right here. Now we can start mixing this in. This is what it looks like. Well, before we mix it, we're going to go ahead and add in our water. We're going to add in our foaming hand soap. We're going to add in our shaving cream. Getting down to the last little bit. And we're going to add in some lotion. I'm just going to get some out with my spatula, guys. And I'm starting to mix it, as you can already see. I mixed it quickly because I wanted to hurry up and get the lotion off. It smells good. Alright. And then we can add in cornstarch. I added about a teaspoon. So I'm going to put all this stuff up and I'll get right back into the video. It took me forever to pause this, guys. Alright, now we're going to add in some color. I don't know what color I want to do. Alright, I picked the color. We're going to do dark blue. Even though this is light blue, if I add more than one drop, it'll become dark blue. But I'm going to use this one just in start. We're going to add it after we mix the rest in. Because we didn't mix in the cornstarch. I'm going to show you what it looks like. So now let's mix. Mixity split. I think I put up the cornstarch too soon because I want another spoonful. So I'm getting another spoonful of the cornstarch. Totally optional. All the ingredients I'm using is optional, like shaving cream, foam and hand soap, lotion. Really the only things you need is glue and activator. You don't have to add any of the stuff I'm using. I just, want different textures. Oops, it didn't go back in the cornstarch. I knew I would make a little mess, so I gotta have a napkin. Alright, now I'm gonna finish mixing this. Alright, now it's time to add in some food coloring. Oops, I added more than one drop. I think that was 2, but oh well. Ooh, guys, look. You can't really see what I'm doing. I wish I didn't have it this way. I just wanted you guys to see my face. And I wanted to see how this background looked. Look how dark it is. There's still food coloring on the spatula too. Alright. Now that it's done being mixed, I'm going to add in these little bit of phloem beads that dried up out of that slime. And I'm just going to add them so we don't waste them. If you know what I mean. It's actually really fun. It's cool. This one doesn't want to go. Alright. This is what it looks like. Alright, now that everything's mixed in, I'm going to start adding in my activator. So, guys, since it's the weekend, I'm doing back-to-back videos. Uploading more. I didn't go to school Thursday. I had Friday off. Sorry. So, I had a 3-day weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. The latest videos that I have uploaded, I didn't edit because it takes less time when I don't edit my videos, but it takes more time when I edit my videos because once I finish editing my videos, I have to upload the editing and save it all, and it takes a long time, like an hour, and then I have to upload the video, which takes more than an hour. Slime is being stubborn. This is what it looks like. It smells good though. It smells good. Sorry you can't see my face. I'm on my knees and it actually hurts. Alright. below some new videos you want me to do. It doesn't even have to be slime related. Like, I could do challenges with my brother. Like, what I mean by challenges, I mean like, we could do the brother and sister tag. If you want to see videos of my brother, comment down below. I asked him if he would do the challenge with me and see if he knows how to make slime by himself. See how much he has been listening to me, because I've been making slime a lot. So maybe I will get him to try to make slime. And see how well he does. Alright guys, it's starting to pull away from the bowl really good now. I'm ready to knead it, but then again, it looks really sticky. So I'm going to add a little more activator. But you can take it out and knead it whenever you like. Ooh, it's thick. Hold on, wait. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, if you have Flipagram, comment down below. I might do a reacting to your Flipagram. I've tried downloading Musically, but I really can't never get the information right, so I don't download it. But if you have Flipagram, comment your Flipagram down below, and I'll react to it. Alright, I think that's no borax because it's doing way better. Sorry you can't really see what I'm doing. Look how much I cleaned the bowl. Guys. Alright, now I'm going to move the camera down some so you can see the ASMR. And, yeah, be right back. Why does it always do this? Alright guys, here is the slime. It's still sticky. Oops. The reason why I'm poking it like this is because I have a cut on my thumb. So, I mean, I don't want the borax to get on it. Oops. Guys, look how I have to like literally scratch it. I don't know why I'm doing this because there's nothing wrong with this thumb. This thumb has a cut. And I just don't. I can't do good ASMR when I have a thumb on my. I have a cut on my thumb. But I mean, I could still do some ASMR. I just have to hold it like this. See? I did a swirl with 2 fingers. See, look. Look, these are my thumbs. I'm not using my thumbs. It's kind of difficult. I could do a swirl with 2 fingers. My middle finger and my index finger. There we go. Crunchy. Time for the swirl. Time for the swirl. Time for the swirl. Oops. Ouch. I don't know if you guys can see that cut. Anyway. That's the cut. Sorry you can't see my face. Now you can. I'm gonna try to do a swirl again, guys. So, watch my thumbs. I'm not using my thumbs. Alright, guys. But yeah, guys, that was it for this slime tutorial. Basically, I taught you guys how to make foam slime, I guess. I don't know. I was just bored and I just wanted to upload another slime video. I wanted to make slime because I was like bored, I guess you could say. But yeah, this slime turned out great. I don't have a name for it, so if you have a name, it's called Blue Floam for right now. I'm thinking blueberry. Hold on, wait. It smells like a... like something... It smells like perfume. Yeah, but it smells okay, if you ask me. Do I look tired? I'm not tired. I'm just bored. Oh gosh, this dyes my hands, guys. Alright, I'm about to put this in the container. And I'm going to... I'm going to put this in a container and I'm going to go ahead and end off this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below some slime names for this and video ideas, I guess, because I don't know what I want to do next. And this is going with the collection that I showed you guys in that last video. Not last video, but that room tour video. This is going in there with those slimes. But that is it for this video. Comment down below some video ideas or what you want to see me and my brother do, or like slime names for this. Don't forget to follow me on Snapchat and Instagram also. My Snapchat is Calethea2468. Instagram is slime_ASMR_by_Calethea. And yeah, guys, that is it for this video. I hope this video helped you if you need to learn how to make slime. But that's all for this video. Give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to be part of Calethea's Arts and Craft crew. And yeah, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.